here, want to go home, want to know how my families are, how my residents are. Right now, I'm far away from my resident, my families. I don't know what to do. I don't know, no connection is going through for my families. But I just want my families to know that I am safe. And the patients that were here, they are safe as well. We are on the children ward right now, and what we're seeing is that this is a PD ward here, where most of our babies will admit on this ward and stay in this ward. So in order for them to get their medication and get well and go back home to their family. To me, it's a great loss here right now. Children are out there, probably need medical attention, and we are unable to provide such medical service to them at this moment.
Patients that cannot leave.
So we're doing a triage to see who we can get over.
Well, like I said, we tried to clear the hospital as much as possible. Some patients were on another ward, so we had to carry them to the top floor, which essentially caved in, so we had to move them back to the ground floor. In the accident and the emergency area, it started flooding, so we had to be there pushing out the water. You had leaking from all over, windows being broken, and you could see zinc flying all over from the outside just from looking out. So it was scary. The light went, of course. We had a generator, but I think essentially had to turn it off because that would have posed a risk for fire. So it has been eye-opening, to say the least. I think we expected damage, of course, but not this magnitude of damage, because a lot of the cars, even outside, were damaged. There's not one area that is without wreckage. So I feel like going forward, it will pose like maybe some changes in how we as a nation prepare for hurricanes. I mean, you could do as much as you can, but to be honest, some of the damage was inevitable, but at least based on this, we can better assess and gauge, okay, what to do going forward. But, it has caused a lot of people to be homeless. Doctors, nurses, auxiliary staff, as well as patients. So there's going to be a huge impact on the country overall. But I know eventually we can make it, but I can't say for when.
Starting to get in further. Right, that should come from the road.